pineal gland, our center of knowingness. It is opening this energy center to the perfect attunement as it clears and cleans everything that is ready to be released. And it is moving up to our crown, completely opening our crown to the perfect dimension and pushing before it everything that is ready to be released, everything that is old and no longer needed. It's flowing out of our crown and landing on the ground all around us to be absorbed back into the mother, to be cleared and cleaned. And now our whole body is filled with this beautiful green and gold light. And as we feel our crown opening, the energy of the mother is coming out of the top of our heads and shooting up 2 or 3 feet above our heads, where we now see that there is this beautiful ball of silver white light, the light of the Father. And as the beautiful light of the mother mixes in perfect balance with the Father energy, this light is now every color of the rainbow. Beautiful, clear, white light, iridescent with the rainbow of colors. And this light is now moving down into our crowns. And as it comes down, it is activating each of our energy centers, each of our chakras, as it moves down our spine and connects and grounds to the earth. And then it is moving back up to our hearts. And as we feel this beautiful white light rest in our heart, we feel our whole energy system become activated with this light. And our energy system is filled with this light to complete capacity. Every cell, every molecule, everything in our whole system is saturated and surrounded by this beautiful iridescent light, the light of all colors. The whole rainbow is surrounding every molecule of our being. Everything inside our body is completely filled with this light. Everything outside our body, in our whole energetic field surrounding us, is filled with this light. It is filled so completely that it must expand even greater. And it starts to grow out. It grows out larger and larger. And as we expand beyond our own energetic system, we see that we connect to every other energetic system. We move out beyond ourselves. We move out and connect to all that is. We are light bodies. We are light-filled bodies. We are connected to everything. And at the same time, we have complete awareness. All our attention is at the same time inside our heart. Feel your attention be magnetized into your heart center. This beautiful chamber, this sacred chamber that is physically slightly behind and below your actual heart. Feel this chamber expand with your consciousness. And as we keep our attention there in our hearts, I am asking Everson to come forth and join us for his message this evening. Greetings, dear ones. I am so happy to be with you this evening. I feel you all very excited as I am excited to share with you what I have come to give this evening. I have an exercise, a process as you would call it, that will greatly expand your understanding and greatly expand your physical ability to have light in your body. It actually is going to expand each cell in your body. For each cell is a receiver of light. Each cell has the capability to not only receive the light, but expand the light and send it forth out into all that is. We each have this ability to be a reflector, as it were, as a receiver and a receptor, as well as a transmitter. And as I explain to you this process, you will gain this understanding of what I speak of, for you will now feel what I speak. I have come tonight to speak of knowingness, for it is all important right now for you all to expand your sense of knowing, to be sure in it, for you have claimed your knowing, your ability to know the answer to all your questions. For we have experienced the distraction of not knowing. You in bodies have experienced this to the greatest degree. We outside bodies have also experienced this that I speak of. So we all are growing in this way. And how I am asking you to expand and grow is your ability to know completely, always, in every moment. All the questions that you have that fill your mind, as soon as you are indoctrinated by your family, one of the first things you are taught is that you do not know. You must go to others